Hello everyone, it's Maria here from Pepperly Rose Paper Crafting. I'm a paper crafter from Sydney, Australia. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm doing a voiceover today, so my hand motions will be completely out of sync with the with the video. But I just wanted to let you guys know that this video is kind of unusual from my usual videos. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I just wanted to let you know too, if you're new, that I am a Stampin' Up demonstrator, and usually my videos are about Stampin' Up products and cards and 3D projects, but today I wanted to show you guys how to use your scanner instead of using calibrated pictures and going through all that hoo-ha in trying to use your PixScan mat and trying to cut out stamped images and the like. And I'm just showing here a piece of paper that I printed out on the weekend. We had a little birthday party for my neighbour, and there were two children at this party. I created cards with them with other printed images. These ones were a little bit printed off, but I just wanted to show you that you can use your PixScan mat to cut out stamped images, printed images. It can be even on patterned paper. So what I'm doing at the moment is I'm just removing the top cover, and I'm placing that piece of paper with the printed images of Baby Shark and Abby Cadabby right there for you, and I'm just securing that down, and then I'll take you to a view with my printer and you'll see that all in action. So here's my printer image, and this is a printer, so please excuse my photography there, but this is a printer scanner. So it's any flatbed scanner, whether it's on your printer or whether it's on just a flatbed scanner. So I'm just going to show you. We are going to scan two sides of this PixScan mat. So we're going to scan one side, and although that the PixScan mat is larger than the scanner, it doesn't matter. The actual software stitches the two images together. So as you can see, it's just an A4 or letter size scanner. We're going to close the lid in a second, and we're going to take you now to the computer view where I'll show you how you can do this twice. So you go to your PixScan icon, and as you can see there, you've got your picture there. You can use the one that you've uploaded onto your computer from your smartphone, or you can use the scanner, which is that little one next to that picture. So you pick that, and that's just a Canon printer. That's what I own. But I go down to the scanner where it says WIA scanner, and I press that, and I'm a little bit slow and then I press import scan image, and what's going to happen is you'll see on the screen that I'm going to import one half of that picture. So it asks you do you want it in color, black and white, all that sort of stuff. I just always pick color, and so now it's scanning on one side, and you'll see this one side come up together shortly. And this is by far the easiest way you can do this. So as you can see, it's uploading now the image onto the program, onto Silhouette Studio, and as you can see, that's the first half done. So this program is amazing. So rather than fiddling around with calibration, this is the way to go. You'll find this a lot easier. So now that that's done, I'm going to now show you how to get your scanner now. Going to open the lid, and then we're going to quite simply just turn it around to the other side. So now I'm going to do the other side. I'm going to put the lid down, and then I'm going to take you to my computer screen where I'll show you how to do it again. So you go to your PixScan image there, the PixScan icon, go to the scanner, which is next to that camera. You click on your printer or your scanner, and you press scanner image, so it says WIA Canon scanner, and then we go color, and I press scan, and this will scan now the second half of the PixScan mat. So you do not need a large format scanner, they cost a fortune. All you need is a regular flatbed scanner, and you scan your image twice. So now it's just scanning away there, and it's all done. So now it's just coming up, and so now I'm going to take you back to the scanner, I'm going to take that out, and it's all done. So what we're going to do next is I'm going to bring in my Silhouette Cameo. I have the first vision there, but I'm just letting you know I'm going to scan the Abby Cadaby. I thought I was going to use the Baby Shark, but I decided against it, and we're going to go with Abby Cadaby. So what I'll show you next is my Silhouette Cameo. This is the first Silhouette Cameo ever. It still works, but I love it. So now what we're going to do is just go through the motions of how you normally scan, trace and cut any of your images. So I'm now just going to press trace area, select trace area, and I'm using Abby Cadaby. I'm just adjusting the threshold, and I'll go up as far as possible so that my image is as dark as possible. Then I press trace outer edge, so it'll do that for me. And then what I do is I will be selecting the Abby Cadaby image, and I go to the offset window, and I'm going to press offset. Now as you can see, there's a lot of other stuff that came into it, but I'm going to go for the point, I think, I can't even read that, 0.05, and then I press apply. Oops, and I'm pressing a whole heap of other stuff at the same time. And then I'm just going to clean up that image. So I'm just going to get rid of the inner part, and I'll just leave the outer part. So I'm just getting rid of that from there. Then I'm going to press onto that image again, and I'm going to release compound path, and this will allow me to get rid of all of the bits and pieces I don't need. So I'm going to get rid of that and just clean up the image, and I'm just showing you how simple it is. It's just as normal as you scanning or tracing an image that you've uploaded onto your Silhouette Studio software. So I love this PixScan mat. It is so easy. It's so much better than using a calibrated phone image. It just never worked for me. For years I had the mat, and I was really disappointed with it until I saw another video, which I will link in the video description below this video, and I was able to use my scanner. It is so much more accurate, much less of a headache. You don't have any funny setups to do. It's just whatever's already set up on your computer. With your printer, your scanner, if it's already on there with the drivers, it'll be easy. So now I'm going to show you me putting in my mat, and I'm just loading it into the machine, and then I go back to the computer, and then I'll show you to just press send, and I'll just show you that there very quickly. I press send, and then I'll show you another view there of my Silhouette now starting to cut the image, and I'll show you in real time because I think it's it's important to see the process. This is a relatively quick video. I did have to chop and change between two cameras, so you're aware, and that's why I'm doing a voiceover, because it's really disjointed otherwise, and the audio is just terrible. So now my Silhouette's cutting Abby Cadaby out. Now the possibilities with the PixScan mat are endless. It's very much like a brother scan and cut. The only difference is the Silhouette Cameo does not have an onboard scanner as is. However, you can use your scanner. I cannot emphasize that enough. You can use your printer scanner or just a scanner, as long as it's a flatbed, and away you go. Now this is, as I said, the original Cameo. You can use up to Silhouette 3. You can use 4, but don't quote me on it. You may need to confirm with Silhouette America. I think you need to use version 7.3 for the Silhouette Cameo 4. So now I'm just showing you the cutout Abby Cadaby with that, and as you can see, it is accurate. No cut images, nothing. The outline is, the offset is fantastic, and it is such a good cut. And imagine this with your stamped images, or imagine this as well. I did add, by the way, some painter's tape just to keep the page on, because my mat is not as sticky, but I did that after I scanned it. You can also use that with and scan it with it as well, with your sticky tape there. It's not an issue. That's what I do to secure it. But seriously, guys, do use your Silhouette Cameo PixScan mat. You will absolutely love it. And with this fail-safe, easy way of doing things and using the scanner, you cannot go wrong. I cannot emphasize it enough. It is a wonderful, wonderful tool. And I'm just doing some more talking there. But basically, yeah, do use your scanner, and it is much, much easier. You can't go wrong with it. So I hope you've enjoyed today's tutorial. I hope that this will make you love your PixScan mat and make it less troublesome. I've never had any issues using it with my scanner. The sky's the limit with it, with your pad and paper, with cutting out with photos and everything. You will really, really enjoy it. So thank you all so much for watching. If you have any questions, just leave them below. Bye for now. Thanks for coming.